Namaste to all of you. In this episode, I would like to mention something very small which has a very important influence on children. Is vocabulary, the words. As children grow, learn the language, any language better. And of course, I conveyed this strong message that if you speak, understand more than one language, your mind receives more vibrations, it awakens more, and you can learn anything much better and much faster. So, greatest scholars, writers, scientists have always been multilingual, speak more than one language. So, that was an aside, but about vocabulary. I was so happy a couple of weeks ago. One of the kids in my class, Arin, all of a sudden he said, I have a question. I said, what is the question? He said, what is the difference between evoke and invoke? Invoke and evoke. I said, wow, these are quite subtle words and children that age normally don't across. Then he told me he was reading a book on science of mantra or something like that, and he found these words and he did not understand. So I explained to him that very simple. Invoke is something you call upon internally. You can invoke a deity. You can invoke a force of nature. You can invoke knowledge. You can invoke something you internally invoke from outside. From outside to inside, you invoke. Evoke means basically, I'm not giving dictionary meanings. Evoke is something which is already in you, you are bringing to light, bringing to your awareness. It can be evoking an emotion, your memory, something you have learned in the past and now all of a sudden it is relevant and you are facing a situation and using past knowledge you are evoking. Then I told him that okay, now I can add two more words. Provoke. Provoke means from an outside force, outside individual around you, provoking you to act, and you are reacting to that provocation. You are sitting there quietly relaxing and somebody comes along and he starts insulting you, abusing you, criticizing you unnecessarily, and is evoking maybe anger in you, maybe it is provoking this great question, why this person is bothering me. And with that provocation, if you act, that is your reaction. So he is acting to provoke you and you are reacting, and there is a big conflict situation now. So the lesson I have taught kids is that never react, always act. Act means it is your decision to do. You have compared, you have analyzed, you have reached a conclusion that this is the right thing for me to do, and you do it. This is your action. But if you react to somebody else saying something to you and you are reacting, which means you lose self-control, the other person is controlling you. If he wants to make you angry, he knows what words make you angry, he will repeat those words and you get angry. So always act, don't react. And I mentioned another word, convoke. Convoke is basically to call upon a gathering of people with common interest, with common background, with common purpose. So you are convocating, you are arranging a meeting, a get-together of people with similar interest and purpose, and they are somehow connected among themselves. So from invoke, evoke, provoke and convoke. Thanks for watching.